Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to review Scruff app. Scruff is a dating and social app made for gay, bi, trans, and queer men, designed to help people meet, chat, and build connections locally and internationally. After opening the app, you can create a profile, upload photos, and browse nearby users using simple swipe and grid options. It also includes travel tools that allow you to connect with people in other cities before you arrive, which is useful for frequent travelers. Privacy is also an important part of the app, with profile verification, reporting tools, and controls over who can view your profile and message you. One of the main advantages of Scruff is its simple interface and lower number of spam accounts compared to similar apps. It also has a supportive community and does not show constant banner ads in the free version, making the experience smoother. However, many advanced features such as filters and unlimited messaging are locked behind a paid subscription called Scruff Pro. Another drawback is that in smaller areas, users may find fewer nearby matches, with profiles sometimes located far away. Overall, Scruff is a useful option for meeting new people in the LGBTQ community, especially for those who value privacy and a mature user base, but it depends on your location and budget. Thanks for watching.